अनंत संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्याम्।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्री श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।
गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा। किं वचनीयं गुरु महिमा किमवचनीयं गुरु महिमा किं वचनीयं गुरु महिमा किमवचनीयं गुरु महिमा किं वचनीयं गुरु महिमा किमवचनीयं गुरु महिमा।
Guruji, now that you have come into my life has become so beautiful. You won't go away from my life now. And Guruji smiled and he said, you have that choice, I don't. He says, once I hold your hand, I have no choice, I will never leave you. मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा। एक बार हमने पकड़ लिया, वैसे ही है, वही है वो बंधन। हमको लगता है हम डिवोटी है उनके। No, we think we are great devotees. But if you see him operate, then that doubt comes. I am the devotee or he is the devotee. He is the guru, but perhaps he is more devoted to his devotees than the devotee is to the guru. Those who have seen him operating every day, you have seen how Guruji operates, right? 20 hours a day, 365 days a year, he works. On the physical level, in the 3 hours on the ethereal level, still be working. So once somebody asked Guruji, Guruji, अब आप हमको मिल गए हो, अब जीवन बड़ा सुंदर हो गया है, अब छोड़ोगे तो नहीं साथ। तो गुरुजी मुस्कुराए और बोले, तुम्हारे पास वो चॉइस है, मेरे पास अब चॉइस नहीं रहा। सो हमको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि छटपटी हम ही को है, गुरुजी को देखना है, गुरुजी को सुनना है। So we think only we have yearning for our Guru and I want to see him, I want to hear him. But those who have been witness to Guruji's presence, he has more yearning to be with us. Haven't you seen that? No? Like see, 1 or 2 days we might skip satsang. Does Guruji skip satsang? Never. And you know why he comes here? He comes for us. And whenever it's time, he has so much. When devotees are waiting, he will leave everything in such a busy schedule. He will still make time to meet every devotee. Have you seen that? Darshan line or whatever. However busy he is, he will still make time. Today also, I'm sure. That's what is happening. He must have, he's on the way. Just, you know how Bangalore traffic is, right? But हमको जितनी छटपटी है ना, उससे ज्यादा वहाँ छटपटी होगी अभी. That he wants to meet us. So one day, you know, he never at that time, Guruji never used to sleep in the afternoon. And we used to say, Guruji, no, you rest some. And he said, no, we have not come to rest. We have come to wake people up. And there is no time. Go give knowledge to people. And we'll say, Guruji, yeah, but you've been so busy, rest for some time. And he won't rest in the afternoons. You know? Then one day, you know, our Vikram, he asked Guruji, means, so late in the night, you are continuously at it. Phones are coming from all over the world. You keep talking to people. You keep solving all the problems. Everybody feels so nice and everything. Do you ever rest? And Guruji says, of course. In between lifetimes.
We had this a big PDS program and we work for it. And continuous work ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವಿಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ work ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. We worked and after the program was over, then Gurudev was meeting everybody in a house, in Tata Kora's house in Jayanagar. And Gurudev was meeting everybody. So I had this prayer that I want to be with him, I want to travel with him. All these things were there because I had seen many teachers traveling with Gurudev. I just was about to become a teacher. I was about to become not a teacher. And then I had this prayer that I also should meet him, be with him and all those things. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತವ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ then he pulled me and he just held me like this and he said, how was the work, how was everything happening, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು, how did you work, ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. He asked me all those things. And then after that this prayer was there and then all of them were going to Delhi. All those people who worked, Shivratri was happening in Delhi. So what was happening was Gurudev was traveling in an aircraft. One aircraft, 200-300 people were traveling with Gurudev to Delhi. 300 jana, 175-200 people. One aircraft, I think 175 people can be there. 175 jana ಗುರುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. So ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುರು ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. All those who work very hard, they will also travel with Gurudev. They also will get to go with Gurudev. So we had done the best in Bangalore. So I was very sure that I'll also go. I was very sure that I also will go with him. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಡೀ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. We had done the maximum seva. So I was thinking I will get to go with Gurudev. But something happened and I was just a volunteer. So that time I did not have a choice. Somebody else was going and I could not go. So then I went to where Guruji was there and Guruji said, bye. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? I was like having a long face. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಗುರುತಿ, ಮುಖ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಂಪಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬೇಸರ ಇತ್ತು. ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಗುರುಜಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ನನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಬೇಡ, ಮತ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಿ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫನ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ಈಗ ಬೇಡ, ಆಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೋ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Then that day I had this prayer. He had told me I'm going to travel. Then I had a sankalpa that I had seen people, they had a choice to press his feet. And that is the most beautiful thing. When Guruji is resting, just press his foot. And I had a sankalpa that I need to do that. Nanu adana avakash sigbeku. I should be resting and I should be pressing his feet. Our kaal vattu anta ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಮಲಗಿದಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ make him more comfortable. This was a prayer. I had seen people, devotees getting a choice to do that. And it is very rare. Because to be one with Gurudev, only one-to-one with Gurudev is very, very rare. Usually there are 10-15 people. Guruji rest ಮಾಡೋಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And this so happened. ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. I'm telling everybody who has a desire that I want to be with Gurudev, travel with Gurudev, take the sankalpa today. Take it sankalpa today. Nothing wrong about it. So it so happened, we were going to Vijaypur. And I was traveling with Gurudev. Like he said, you're going to travel around with me, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬರ್ತೀಯ, ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. And that night we were resting in one person's house. ಬಿಡೆ ಅನ್ನೋರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಬಿಜಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ. Night around, see, Swamiji was telling, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಗುರುಜಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. He hardly rests for around 3 hours in a night. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲಗೋದು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು? Around 3 hours only. ಗುರುಗಳ ರೂಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗುರುಗಳ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದ್ವಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಗುರುಜಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು US ಇಂದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್. At around night 12:30, 1 o'clock, his secretary came and told me, Prasad, come, ba. So I went to Gurudeva's room and Guruji was lying on the floor and he said, you can press his foot. You can press his foot. You can press his foot. Whatever prayer I had that day, I was there and I was able to be with him and take care of him. Taking care in a physical form, taking care of your Guru is the most beautiful thing. And that day, there were tears in my eyes. And when I went near his feet, it was radiating like anything. When you bring your hands together, you feel from energy, right? And my hand was around 1.5 feet away from Guruji's feet, and there was so much of heat coming out from his body. As if ಈ ಬಿಸಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಹತ್ರ ಕೈ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೆಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ it was radiating heat. So much of energy was there. So he was there for some time, did the seva, and then he said, now go and rest. And in morning, and next day morning, we were supposed to go for a walk. 6 o'clock, Guruji said, we'll go for a walk. And he was up by 4:30. Before 6, he had done his sadhana, everything ready, and he was ready to walk in the morning at 6 o'clock. 1:30 he slept, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Morning, 6 o'clock, he had done his sadhana, he has done his puja, everything was done. Ready, 6 o'clock. So this is the time he spends, hardly 3 hours in a day resting. 3 hours ಕೂಡ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ಸುಮುಖಂ ಸುಲಭಂ ಸುರವರ ಪೂಜ್ಯಂ.
ಸುಮುಖಂ ಸುಲಭಂ ಸುರವರ ಪೂಜ್ಯಂ.
ಸುಮುಖಂ ಸುಲಭಂ ಸುರವರ ಪೂಜ್ಯಂ.
ಸುಮುಖಂ ಸುಲಭಂ ಸುರವರ ಪೂಜ್ಯಂ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ನಮಾಮಿ ಗಜವದನಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ.
ಗಜಮುಖ ಸುಂದರ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲಂ.
ಗಜಮುಖ ಸುಂದರ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲಂ.
ಗಜಮುಖ ಸುಂದರ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲಂ.
ಗಜಮುಖ ಸುಂದರ ಗಾನ ವಿಲೋಲಂ.
ಸೃಜನ ಮಂದಾರಂ ಭವಭಯ ದೂರಂ.
ಸೃಜನ ಮಂದಾರಂ ಭವಭಯ ದೂರಂ.
ಸೃಜನ ಮಂದಾರಂ ಭವಭಯ ದೂರಂ.
ಸೃಜನ ಮಂದಾರಂ ಭವಭಯ ದೂರಂ.
ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜವದನ ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ.
ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜವದನ ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ.
ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ.
ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ ಹೇರಂಬ ಗಜಾನನ.
Whenever they used to take bodies in procession, nobody would tell us what it is really. They all say, oh, this is some deity. They would save us from really knowing what it is. people are not happy behind them. Usually any procession goes, some Ganesha is taken in procession, there are people dancing. That was bugging the mind for a long time. So one day in the school I discovered that people will die when they get old. So I thought, now who is going to die? I saw my grandmother, she's the oldest person in the house. Now I know she will die. Then I wondered, how will I live without her? Because I was very much attached to my grandmother. She'd never get upset. She's always chanting Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Very kind and very devoted. Tell nice stories, take me to the temples. So I discovered she was the person who will die first and body won't come back. So evening after 6 o'clock when the sun sets, then I get worried. So then everyone goes to bed and I first act as though I am sleeping. I used to sleep very close to my grandmother in the same room. So I'll get up and I will sit and watch her snoring. All night she will breathe. She has a big tummy. The tummy will go up and down. In the snoring there is rhythm, you know. People sort of go, and then they stop for a while. Then I will go and shake her. She would again snore. So the whole night and I'll watch the tick, tick, tick. 2 o'clock now. Time would go so slow. So I patiently watched the whole night. But in the morning by 4:35 I would fall asleep. I would have watched for many months. So watching the breath is from the beginning. And again morning I would have to go to school. So I won't go to school unless I do my puja and everything. morning I would feel sleepy. How do I say to somebody that whole night I am watching somebody breathe? Or I sit in a bus and fall asleep. In the scooter sometime. Sometime I would not do the homework. Then if at all I take a book and I read 2-3 pages, I'll fall asleep. We had a teacher, we had to write copyright the same thing so many times. And if you don't write one day, you will be punished. They'll just hit your hand like this. So this teacher would do it. Mostly many people would. But when he would hold my hand to hit, somehow he could never do it. I was ready. He could never punish. I will just look at him. He would never be able to punish me. All the other students will make a big fuss about why you are not punishing, why you punish everybody else. But Jono, he's very delicate, his hands will break or something like that. He couldn't find an explanation. Then he will drop and just laugh.
I will go here and here and here and all the places in the world. You bring for me coins? Yes. Will you bring for me stamps? Yes.
Then they all call me liar. So I would just put a long face. Okay, liar, whatever. Very difficult time. Then I will walk into a library, simply go walk. And when I go into the library, I see any book, I feel that, oh, this book, I know this, I know this, I know this, I know all the time. And then I feel I know all these books, everything, all this knowledge. So I'll just read all the names of the book and come back, and not one single book I would pick up and read. So people, you went to library, which book are you read? I have no answer. Elders think we should be like other children. See, they all play, go and play. Do things that they all do. Then I have to see that people don't see I am abnormal. I have to adjust with everybody. Meaningless conversation. Football match, cricket match. Which movie star did what, where? All these talks. It would never get into me. People talk, I would think something. Many times as a child I wondered I am in the wrong place. Nobody seemed to know, think big or think about the life, the world and the divine, nothing. Ball from this end to that end, it would be so meaningless to me. could not kick a ball. The football will come there. I will just stand watching my leg. I could not kick the ball. So I stand like a statue. This leg cannot kick anything, let alone the ball. There was a saint in India who recently left the body. He lived 300 years. He lived on the river Ganges. There were 4 bamboos and there was a small hut he made on the bamboo poles. And he would live there. People had to go in the boat and he would talk to them from there, from that distance. Hello, are you okay? Take this fruit and give them prasad. Before starting Art of Living, I had just 2% of hesitation. Because already everything was there. I had everything, seen everything, whole world. Starting one more thing. I was just 18 or 20-year-old. So I went to see him. It was dark night. And the boatman was refusing to go. Since nobody goes there at the time. So it was stars on the Ganges and I was going in the canoe with the boatman. Just wondering whether I should start this or just not to do anything. And then we reached and he came out. He knew I was coming. He came out. He was so happy. He said, "Oh my dear child, oh, you have come." So he gave me a big watermelon. I said, the whole world is waiting. Come on, what we have to do. So that was a sign that we have to do this in the world. We all have come here to do something very specific. And we have going to do it. We'll complete it and we'll go. That's all. We don't need to be concerned about anything. It's all just going to happen. It's like the movie has already been shot. It's only a replay. This is just beginning, that's all.
So, see, before Art of Living, Gurudev was with Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. And Maharishi wanted Gurudev to become a Shankaracharya. You know, Jyotirmat is in North India. So they wanted to make him a Shankaracharya. So Guruji was not ready for that. Everything, all the pleasures of the world. You know, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Transcendental Yoga was a huge organization. And Gurudev was like next to Maharishi. He was in the position. But Guruji decided that he doesn't want to get into rituals, because if you come to Apitadipati, then there is only rituals left. Allenate bari rituals irutte. Ellar jote bereyakagalla. So Gurudev decided that no, I don't want to do that. I want to go and be with people. That is why he left the ashram, and that is the time. 18, 19 years old, Gurudev was in a dilemma. What I should do? Should I be continuing there or should I start Art of Living? Art of Living ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is the time 2% doubt ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. So he came to this Swamiji. This Swamiji was living for 300 years. 300 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು. He passed away around 7 years back, 6 or 7 years back. 300 years old Swamiji. He is there. So Guruji went to him and just went there, and middle of the night, he was staying in a hut in Rishikesh, in the middle of the Ganga. So Gurudev al hodaga Madhyaratri, that Swamiji knew Guruji would come. So he gave him this thing. What is that? Kalangdi hಣ್ಣು. And he said, go, people are waiting for you. ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಜನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Go there. And second story Guruji had said, he was in Calcutta, no, Kamakya, I think, somewhere in Assam. At the same time, he had gone there also. So he was meditating in front of the Devi's temple. There's a Devi temple, Kamakya. And outside the temple, he just was sitting and meditating. That time, he felt that energy telling him that now you go and start seva. Hogi janra seva madak shuru madu. That thing came to him the other day. So that is when he decided. He came back to Bangalore. And he was, I think, in Hubli railway station. One train would go towards Bangalore, one to Pune. If he came to Bangalore, then something else would happen. If he went to Pune side, then he would start Art of Living. He had both the tickets in his hand, whether this ticket or that ticket. And that moment, he took a ticket to Pune. So Art of Living happened. That day, Guruji decided he wanted to start at the age of 19. So today, you, me, everybody are part of one big rope. One ದೊಡ್ಡ ದಾರದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಬ್ಬನ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. Yes. So beautiful, no? To be with the master. How was the story? Enjoyed? In his voice, ಗುರುಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಥೆ. भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, डम 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 डमरू बजे, डम 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 डमरू बजे, डम 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 डमरू बजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, हे काशी नाथ शिव शंभो भजे, गण 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 घंटा बजे, गण 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 घंटा बजे, गण 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 घन घंटा बजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, काशीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, पार्वती पते शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय शिव जी की जय जय, ढम 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 डमरू बजे, ढम 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 डमरू बजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, गण 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 घंटा बजे, गण 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 घंटा बजे, गण 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 घंटा बजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे, भोले की जय जय, शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय, शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय, शिव जी की जय जय, भोले की जय जय, शिव जी की जय जय।
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं।
The Guru communicates in silence, and wherein all the doubts simply disappear. So there are three levels of Guru. That says Srinathadi Gurutrayam. Three forms. One is the absolute form of the Guru, which is all permeating. It's everywhere. And second form of Guru is knowledge. Third is the physical form of Guru. The physical form is one aspect. The second aspect is the knowledge aspect, which is again the Guru principle. And the third is the silent, all-pervading aspect of Guru. And this is how our being, our consciousness operates. Our consciousness has got three bodies. One is the physical body, another the subtle body of emotions and thoughts, and then the causal body of pure consciousness. So, three bodies and three forms of Guru. And Guru Purnima is the day when one recognizes the physical form and the knowledge form, that is the subtle. Because the causal or all permeating is everywhere, it's beyond time. So that is everywhere, every time, all the time. But all three are form of the single Guru Tattva. So, on this day we celebrate how many different forms Guru had taken and come. And in what many forms he is helping, he, she, or it is helping us in every step of life. And then that from which we can never be separate. that which is omnipresent, omnipotent, and which can never be separate from us, that light. So, Guru is not just the body, it's the light, the knowledge, wisdom, and the body. All three things together. Then this whole universe, the body of the Guru. That is the knowledge for today. So, having Guru in life means you have everything virtually. Bliss, happiness, bliss, comfort, knowledge, liberation. Liberation is impossible without. For other gains in life, wherever the mind goes, wants something, that also is part of the path. In the path, you go to the goal of liberation, other things come along, whatever you need in the path. Guru's job is not give you a job or just give you a relationship or health. These are accessories. That is not the main thing. Main thing is inner freedom, realizing I am light, realizing I am space. That is the main goal. And you move towards that, other things, comforts come on the way. Yeah? So that is what it is. And then what does the Guru say? Then say, look, you are in me, I am in you, we are one. That is the knowledge. So you are not alone on this journey to infinity. I am with you, you are with me. And this knowledge is here. And then say, this you and me is really one. I am you, you are me.
Guru Mandala. What is Guru Mandala? Is it good for a sadhak?
Guru Mandala means there are several circles before you reach the center. And Guru Mandala means you have many temptations, many attractions, many repulsions, all that makes you stronger. I mean, if you pass all that, then you come to the center where you become really strong. And though you are in knowledge, though you are in this thing, and many things will pull you in many different directions. So that is called Guru Mandala. You know, so small things can put you off. Like someone come to do meditation course and the room is not okay for them. Or food is not okay. If you think, oh, food, there is no proper food or not nice, good food, I'm not going to meditate, then you miss the purpose of your coming. Every day anyway you are eating. At home you are used to having papad, so you go there and you don't have the fried food. Now, if that takes the front seat and you miss out the meditation, then you are stuck in Guru Mandala. Similarly, you came for a purpose, but you are distracted by someone's love or somebody's anger, or you are upset with someone. So you moved away from going to the goal, but you caught up in the periphery. That is the Guru Mandala. In life, our aim is to achieve the highest knowledge, but on the process we got stuck with small things, insignificant things, or things which distract you from that. That's all the aspects of Guru Mandala. When you go to a Guru, try to go near a Guru, many things come around on the way. First, you get many distractions. And then you get many things, many charming things will come. Yeah, siddhis will come. Cravings, aversions, all those things come. And you pass all that and then reach the center of the mandala. Mandala means circle. And going to the center of it. You come here to meet the Guru and do the sadhana, and suddenly you find some beautiful girl or a boy, and then you start running after them. Or you come for the purpose of knowledge, and then suddenly in your mind comes, oh, I want to make money or do this, how I can do something else. Distractions indicate how you can be one-pointed. Your power to go to really to the center. How you can pass the circle of negativity, doubts, charms, attractions, and all distractions, moving from all that and then go to that. And then ego, here comes, I am better than the Guru. Oh, what Guruji says, I am also better. I can do even better. This sort of all the Maya Yog Mayas will come. They're all there around. That's all called Guru Mandala.
It happened to us. You want to meditate, you want to do seva, you want to be the path, and all the distractions will happen around you. And especially, it's not only a distraction, so many other things happen. See, adana Guru Mandala antare. Guru suttlu iruvanta ಒಂದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು try to distract you from the master. This happens. Sometimes it is good and sometimes it's bad. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಿದ್ಧಿಗಳು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೌ ರೀಡ್ ಸಂಬಡೀಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಬಂದವ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಾವು ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡೋ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗೋ ಇನ್ ಯು. This siddhi also happens on the path. When you do your sadhana, when you're in this path, so many things happen. So many things happen. All this, somewhere, if you get caught up in any of these things, then finished. And people are there with you. You'll see things, many things which you are not aware. Many things will happen in the mind. Ella tharada, your negative also can happen. Esto sala you will feel, oh, I know more than the Guru. This also is possible for some people. I have seen in front of my eyes people, getting into this energy of knowing more than the master also. This also ego comes up. You have seen all this. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಗುರು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆ ವಿಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯೋದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಗುರಿ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ಅದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. When you see opposites, when you see distraction, if you're able to really be strong and go forward, then you are on the path. ಸಾಧನೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿದ್ಧಿಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಚಲವಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಸಾಧನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಗುರುವಿನ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಗಳು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡೋ ಓ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಚೈತನ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಧನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಧನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿರೋ, ಆ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷಸ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾತ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಡೂ ಯುವರ್ ಸಾಧನ ಡೈಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಸ್ ಅಂತ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್, ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್. Just like that, you can go to a place, you can feel the vibration. So this is what sort of vibration is here. Just like that. Just like that. Yen dod vichara illa. So very, very beautiful when you understand all these things. It is only understanding yourself. It is only understanding yourself. Everybody has that energy. Only that has to dwell. Adu innastu belibeku. That happens only when you are with the master. Guru jotegiddake enagutte ella nimmaliruvanತ ಚೈತನ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ವಿಕಸನವಾಗ್ತದೆ. So Guru ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಂಗೆ. Everything has happened. But see, if you are aware that this distraction is happening for sadhana, this distraction is pulling me away, if you become aware, half the job is done. Ardha ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತು. Now I am getting caught up. that somewhere the pinch is there when they're not doing a sadhana. And then also, the second thing will be there that if you have this pinch, then your teacher also will ask you, where are you? Why you are not here? This also comes because I'll tell you, this is not just like that. We get to remember somebody that we have to call this person now. This happens to us also. We have to call this person, why this person is not here, why this person has not come. This also happens. And the third requirement will be that pinch will also either make you feel guilty, because why this comes for us to make a call is sometimes you are not come for sadhana for 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, then you feel, how can I come now? He may ask me or she may ask me. So that is why you don't come. Again, 10 days you did not come because you got caught up somewhere. And after that, because I have not gone for 10 days, now how will I face my teacher? So you will not come. This also people do. So here, this drama will be there happening in the mind. All this is called as Guru Mandala. This is Yoga Maya. See, even when Vishwamitra wanted to do tapas, Menaka had to come, right? All these distractions, the gods will try to play with your mind because they don't want you to go there. The more you become powerful, it is difficult for the energies around you. So they want to play with your mind. So this drama happens, and this is a very beautiful drama if you realize this drama is happening. It's very beautiful if you realize it's a drama. The moment you realize it's a drama, you can just walk out of it. See, if you know there's a movie, you'll sit there for how much time? 2 hours, right? Beyond 2 hours, will you sit in that movie and keep on watching the theater again? Second show bhi dekhenge, third show bhi dekhenge, fourth show bhi dekhenge, kal subah ka show bhi dekhenge. Nahi dekhenge na? You know that is a movie. So if you become aware that this is a drama happening in my life and not very important, this is all a maya. And what is the truth is, for me to be within myself, to understand myself. So that is very powerful. So the only way is to, again, that first day you have to get up and come and do sadhana. Very difficult is the first day to come back. That's all, finished. Then you are regular and you become very regular. On the day break madavakashta, then you become very, very regular. Then no problem. Because the company is so powerful, so good energy that you don't want to be anywhere else. The ego is edging God out. Bhagavantana nin dura ittade. So it happens in everybody's life. Idakkenu madakagalla. Yen beku? Samarpane, surrender. But how long will you be without the person whom you love the most? Yarnellakku ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅವರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ದೂರ ಇರ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? How long will you be? Can you be? No. Alva? So, idella drama agutte life alli, but nam sadhane regular itkobeku. Idu nam jeevanadallu agide. It's happened in my life also. Adane Guru Mandala anta heliddu. But when you come back strong, no, you're very, very close. Very, very close. Nothing can shake you. Vapas baro strength idella, that is amazingly beautiful. Amazingly beautiful. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಈಗ with Yesu also a story, prodigal son. You heard, no, Jesus' story, prodigal son. If he goes away from the father and runs everywhere, then finally he comes back and says, I missed you. The son tells the father, and then father just welcomes the son into the family. He says, fine, where were you? You're always here. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಹಂಗೆ. So it's okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but come back. Come back is very important. Do your sadhana, very, very important. See, sadhana seva. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೀದಾ. ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸೇವಾ, ಹಡಬಡ ಸೇವಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸೇವಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಡರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅವೇ. What seva is not to, we don't know what to answer. Anything can be seva. You are available, that is a big difference. See, Guruji always says it is not the ability, it's the availability which makes a difference. You are available, yes, then everything is possible. But you have the best of the ability and you are not available, what is the use? Ella ability ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ನೀವು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಅಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is something beautiful. So bring Guru in everybody's life. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. One thing I don't do is I don't hesitate. I learned from Gurudev. I learned only that. Don't hesitate. Just stretch your hands.
Jaya Durga, Mahamaya, Jagat
Jaya Durga Mahamaya Jagadamba.
Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga, 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 Mahamaya Jagadamba.
Oh Parameshwari, Jaya Durga, Jagadishwari, Jaya Amba.
Parameshwari Jaya Durga Jagadishwari Jaya Amba.
Jaya Durga, Jaya Durga, Mahamaya Jagadamba.
Gurudev first gave the Narada Bhakti Sutra in North America, in fact in Canada, in that tour. So every day was a special day. Every almost 19 tapes he has given. In this, each one of them is, I can't explain. It's so total and complete. At the same time, it's so delicious, delectable, I would say. We can't predict Gurudev, So Gurudev one day shared that, in the kingdom of heaven, outside there is a board written that only admission to only crazy people. Yeah. Only crazy people are allowed. So, in fact, we are all crazy as that. We are crazy for knowledge. Every day used to be so unique, So one day he came, sat there for a whole 1 hour without speaking any word. He just sat silent. We all sat silently. And at the end, he said, got it? And everybody was crying, We had such a wonderful experience. And another day he came and he said 2 + 1 is 0. And then he let us all discuss among ourselves how it can be 2 + 1 can be 0. So every day there will be some new thing, he will throw new challenges, it used to be so energizing, and everybody was so enthusiastic, participating also. It was so lively, And then one more thing I remember when, one time he was in Lake Loon. We were all in the boat. It was full moon, and Gurudev was rowing the boat. The waves were lashing at the boat, and it was so magical night. And then he was humming a song. It was in Kannada. He was humming. Then he said, "Do you know the song?" It was called Ambigana Ninna Nambide Jagadambara Manana Nambide. It was a beautiful old song which says that, I believe in you, with the boatman, I believe you because you are the one who is taking us across. Like that day Gurudev was rowing the boat, we were all sitting and with no care in the world, we knew that he will reach us to the shores. And it was such a fulfilling experience, It is such things, I remember about Bhakti Sutra all these days. I remember how Philip was playing the flute from the other side, and it was so nice. It was so magical. There's so many crazy people like us. Can I say that? There are so many who are waiting for this. And waiting is very beautiful. That itself can be turned into meditation, as Gurudev said. Now also we are here, and Gurudev is giving us same experience of immersing in the divine love. Every day, twice we are meditating in the samadhi only. We are dissolving in that waves of divine love. It's so beautiful. So many of us from all over the world are connected with this love. It's amazing.
Guruji is rowing our boat in this sea of sansara. ಸಂಸಾರ ಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ದೋಣಿನ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೇತ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ when he said, I was in a big challenge. The mind was totally disturbed and I was in a big challenge. The first thing, something happened in my life. As a teacher, I was doing something big, and that day the whole drama happened, and finally he held me around my and took me along and said, when I am walking with you, why do you worry? ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಿದೆ? I held me like this, pulled me along with him until the Vishalakshmi Mantak, from the Kashyapa. And that day, even today, I remember, that's the one thing in my life I always remember. Guruji is walking with me. When he is walking with me, why should I worry? Like Akash said, Gurudev is rowing our boat. And when she was saying that, this is what came to my mind. When he is walking with us, why should you worry? So each of you who are sitting here, there is somebody to take care of you. There is somebody taking care of you. ಯಾಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋನು ಸದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ.
ಶ್ರೀದ ಹರಿಗೋಲಂಬಿಗ, ಅದ 90 ಛಿದ್ರವು ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಹೊಳೆಯ ಬರವ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಳೆಯೋ ಬರಾವಯ್ಯ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಸುಳಿಯೋಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಯನ ಸೆಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಯೋ ನೀನಂಬಿಗ.
ಸುಳಿಯೋಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಯನ ಸೆಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಯೋ ನೀನಂಬಿಗ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ,
ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ. 6 ತೆರೆಯ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ, ಅದ ನೀವಳಿಗೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
6 ತೆರೆಯ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ, ಅದು ಮೀರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಯಾರಿ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ, ಅದು ಮೀರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ. ಸಾಕು.
6 ತೆರೆಯ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ, ಅದು ಮೀರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಯಾರಿಂದಲಾಗದು ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಅದು ನಿವಾರಿಸಿ ದಾಟಿಸೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಯಾರಿಂದಲಾಗದು ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಅದ ನಿವಾರಿಸಿ ದಾಟಿಸೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಂಬಿಗ, ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿದೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ಜಗದಂಬಿಗ, ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿದೆ.
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ, ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿರೆ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ, ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಂಟಪ ಕೊಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ, ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಂಟಪ ಕೊಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ. ಅಂಬಿಗ
ಜಗದಂಬಿಗ, ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ ನಂಬಿದೆ. ಅಂಬಿಗ ಜಗದಂಬಿಗ, ಅಂಬಿಗಾ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ
ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಜಗದಂಬಾರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ.
Very beautiful. Nice song, no? Only you have to take care and you will make us grow over all the difficulties in life.
Jai Gurudev, everyone. So I would like to thank firstly Gurudev for giving an opportunity and also Prasad sir for his guidance and all the volunteers who contributed ideas. We thank them as well. And definitely everyone who's come today, like sir said, we had almost 100 people joining us in such a short notice. So thanks to everyone. This time we didn't make any calls. Yargu sir ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು call ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Whoever is interested, just spread the message. Whoever is interested will join ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. But we had almost 100 people joining. So thank you everyone for attending the program. And thanks to all the singers. We have Kavita aunty, Ranjini, and Raghuvara is half C. So Raghuvara and myself Shruti. And of course, Prasad sir. Thank you once again, sir, for the time, and all the videos of Gurudev were very nice. We enjoyed watching all those videos. So thanks to everyone.
Jai Gurudev. So thanks to all of us who are here today. So ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ್ ಟೀಮ್, ಕವಿತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಂಜನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಘುವರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರುತಿ, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಗುರು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಜೈ ಜೈ ರಾಧಾ ರಮಣ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್, 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 जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, 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 जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल. जय गुरुदेव, जय जय गुरुदेव. लोका समस्ता
सुखिनो भवन्तु,
लोका
समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु,
लोका
समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता
शांति शांति
शांति.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
People, if you are having your birthdays today,
Jai Gurudev, Guruji.
all the blessings to the master. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಬೈದವರು
ರವೀಶ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಖಿತಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೈಟ್
हाँ. सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, ओ हो तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, ओ हो तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तू है सुंदर फूल इस संसार की, हो तू है सुंदर फूल इस संसार की। जय गुरुदेव, all the blessings. Born on the Guru Purnima. Jai Gurudev. God bless you. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev.